In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on Clickup, making your collaborative work easier and more integrated. Clickup has become a central hub for managing tasks, projects, and communications for teams across the globe. With its comprehensive features, you can streamline your work process, and adding comments is a fundamental aspect of fostering team collaboration. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Clickup's main page. This is where your journey into more effective project management and team interaction starts. Think of it as the gateway to organizing your work more efficiently. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to log into your Clickup account. You'll do this by entering your email. It is important to make sure you're entering the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any login issues. After you've input your email, you will then need to enter your password. Ensuring the accuracy of both your email and password is crucial for a smooth login process. If you encounter any issues, remember you can always use the password reset feature to regain access to your account. Once your credentials are entered correctly, the next action is to click on the Log In button. This will grant you access to your Clickup workspace, where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now that you are logged in, head over to the home page of your workspace. This is often personalized with your name or your team's name, making it your own unique space within Clickup's extensive platform. Your homepage will provide a bird's eye view of what's happening across your tasks and projects. Next, you'll want to navigate to your team space. This is where the collaborative magic happens. Your team space is the hub for the projects and tasks that you and your team are actively working on. It's designed to keep everyone aligned and working towards common goals. Within your team space, click on the specific project you are working on. Projects in Clickup help you organize related tasks, making it easier to manage objectives and deadlines. Remember, the project must be selected to ensure your comment is placed in the right context. Once you're in the correct project, it's time to select the task you want to comment on. Tasks are the individual pieces of work that need to be completed. Selecting a task will bring up details and options specific to that task, including the option to add comments. This brings us to the crucial part: writing your comment. This can be anything from a status update, a question for clarification, feedback, or any additional information that supports the task's progression. The comment function is a powerful tool for keeping all relevant discussions in one place, directly attached to the task at hand. Writing a comment in Clickup is not just about typing text into a box. It's about contributing to a collaborative space where everyone involved in a project can stay informed, provide input, and work together more effectively. Whether you're asking for updates, giving feedback, or adding crucial information, your comments are instrumental in moving tasks forward. In addition to writing your comment, Clickup provides a range of formatting options to help make your communication clear and effective. You can bold text, create bullet lists, or even attach files to ensure your team has all the context they need. After entering your comment, simply hit the send button to share it with your team. It will immediately become visible to anyone who has access to the task, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Always remember, clear and concise comments contribute to a smoother workflow and ultimately to the success of the project. To recap, we've gone through the simple yet essential process of logging into your Clickup account, navigating to your workspace, selecting a project, choosing a specific task, and finally adding a comment. This fundamental feature enables ongoing collaboration and communication, which is key to any project's success. Remember, the power of Clickup lies in its ability to centralize your work processes, making it easier for you to manage tasks and collaborate with your team. Adding comments to tasks is just one of the myriad ways Clickup enables you to keep everything organized and moving forward. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to add comments on Clickup. By following these steps, you're not just commenting on tasks, you're contributing to a cooperative and dynamic work environment. Your input is valuable, and with Clickup it's easier than ever to make sure it's heard.